Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video is going to be a ultimate relaxing after dark clean with me. I'm going to be giving you guys some ultimate cleaning motivation, so make sure you turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get the motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning.
Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down. But sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh, let me drown. No. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Won't let me drown. No. Promise you won't let me drown. Won't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind.
If you are new here, first, I would like to thank you for clicking on my video, and I would also like to introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I'm a military wife and mother of 3 boys, and on my channel, you will find cleaning, organization, home decor, DIYs, and a little behind the scenes of some mom life. If this is something that you would enjoy, please consider subscribing and comment below to introduce yourself.
Lose what we had, 'cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah. Love you better. Oh, love you better. Love you better.
from the first time I saw ya. You were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah.
If you have made it this far in the video, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out a lot, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. If you are new here and you've enjoyed the video so far, please consider subscribing and comment below so we can chat.
Can be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. Me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry.
I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. Please let me know down below how you celebrated. What did you do?
See everything we need right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder. watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
I will be decorating my living room area pretty soon for Christmas, so make sure you have that bell on so you will not miss that upload.
They really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. By the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this ultimate relaxing after dark clean with me, and it gave you all the motivation you need to clean your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.
Get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make